Hi Khalko, Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is okay and best health. So today we discovering Peshawar. I call Tafo all the way from Madain because Rafi is a little bit busy. It's his new job, mashallah. He become a really good officer. So I asked Iltaf because I'm only comfortable with Iltaf and Rafi and Khadim. I'm not gonna ask anybody else. And these two girls, Hamida and what's her name?
I don't know.
Asma.
I still didn't meet her.
Okay, he didn't met Asma. So we're gonna discover Peshawar, inshallah. Peshawar food, Peshawar culture, Peshawar beautiful places, and Peshawar thing. So the reason is because I can't drive and hold camera. So Tafo, Iltaf his name is, but I call him Tafo out of love. So Tafo will hold the camera and I'm gonna be like talking.
Okay.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so stay tuned.
Please subscribe and click the bell to get notification.
Favorite roundabout because whenever I lost, I come here.
Yes, this
Soon
is the
I
main
come
point.
Here, then I know where to go. And this is our metro. So all these bridges for the metros, Hayatabad metro. Well, I show Hayatabad so many times. I share with you because this is my home place. So this is Baghinara. This is Tatara Park. So we are here now to join the last bridge of Hayatabad. When we go to that bridge, this is like the university start, isn't it?
Yeah, University Road start.
University board, these things are start, and this is our metro. This is the Hayatabad last bridge. But alhamdulillah, it's such a clean place and beautiful. Look, all these workers, they're day and night cleaning the roads.
Yes,
day and night they clean the roads. So amazing place, and whoever viral these videos that Pakistan is dirty, Pakistan is unhygienic. This is rubbish. Pakistan is the beautiful place on this earth.
ये एक बहुत इंतहाई खूबसूरत बिल्डिंग है. इसकी आर्किटेक्चर जो है वो भी बेइंतहा खूबसूरत तरीके से बना दी गई है. इसको मदर ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूट भी कहा जाता है बिकॉज इसी से ये KPK का पहला इंस्टीट्यूट है और बाकी सारी इंस्टीट्यूट इसी से ही निकल चुके हैं. यहाँ से हज़ारों बल्कि लाखों डॉक्टर्स, इंजीनियर्स और ब्यूरोक्रेट्स, गवर्नर्स, ये सारे KPK की जितनी भी क्रीम लोग हैं यहाँ से पढ़ चुके हैं और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अभी भी इसकी मेरिट बहुत टॉप पे होते हैं. यहाँ खूबसूरत बिल्डिंग जो है वो उस वक़्त में बना दी गई है जब यहाँ पे कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूट नहीं थी और अभी तक इसने अपनी मोराल जो है वो ऊंचाई पे आसमान तक चूम रहा है, बहुत ऊंचाई पे रखा हुआ है.
Now we're gonna go to Nafia Medical College, and Nafia qualified from this medical college, and inshallah I will show you now after this bridge. This is the medical college gate, and so this is the medical college. And
No, not this one. The next one.
The next one.
Yeah.
Well, this is whole medical
University.
college area.
This is
all
Peshawar
universities
University.
are here. Peshawar universities are here. So it's not only medical college; it's other colleges are here as well. But I remember I used to pick and drop Nafia from here with a white little coat, my little princess.
Khaybar
Medical College, where Nafia qualified. Nafia's Khaybar Medical College, where Nafia qualified from this college. Alhamdulillah, she became a doctor here. ये जो है ये इस रोड पे ये यूनिवर्सिटी रोड है और इस पे सारे डिजाइनर हैं, सारे, यानी कि रंगा से लेके शनेर तक, फिर अलकरम, खाड़ी, सना सफीना, सफाया, हर डिज़ाइनर इस रोड पे मौजूद है. तो आपको अगर कपड़े ख़रीदने हो तो इस रोड पे आए. तो ये सारे जो आपको नज़र आ रहे हैं मेरे लेफ़्ट साइड पे, जितने भी डिज़ाइनर है वो मेरे लेफ़्ट साइड पे हैं. ताफ़ी अगर आप इधर दिखा दो तो मेरे राइट साइड पे सारे प्लाजा हैं. सारे प्लाजा मेरे राइट साइड पे हैं, यानी इसमें जवाहर टावर, सिटी टावर, और उसमें फिर बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त स्टोर्स हैं, फूड कोर्ट हैं. इसमें हर किस्म की चीज़ आपको मिलेगी. اور یعنی کہ UK کی USA کی ہر قسم کے خوراک آپ کو ملیں گے. کنٹینینٹل فوڈ ملے گا آپ کو, چاٹ سے لے کے آپ کو پاستا تک اور سب کچھ ملے گا. یہ جواد ٹاور ہے, اس میں بھی دنیا جہان کی شاپ ہے, یعنی کہ ملین شاپ. یہ ہمارا گاڑی ہے, میرا فیوریٹ شاپ ہے جس میں بس رات دن رہنا چاہتی ہوں. یہ الکرم بھی بہت ہی زبردست شاپ ہے, اس میں بھی بہت ہی. سپایا میرا سیکنڈ فیوریٹ ہے, وہ میرا سپایا ہے. آپ دیکھ سکتے ہیں کہ بالکل UK کی طرح بنے ہوئے ہیں, اس میں کوئی ایتھنک بھی میرا بہت ہی فیوریٹ شاپ ہے. تو ان کی کرتے مجھے بہت اچھے لگتے ہیں. اور چیریٹی کرنے سے پہلے, جب چیریٹی میں نہیں آئی تھی, تو میں ان شاپوں سے ہر چیز خریدتی تھی. اب جب سے میں نے چیریٹی شروع کی ہے, میں تھوڑا سا کم شاپنگ کرتی ہوں. یو کین سی سے ویلکم ٹو پشاور کینٹ. سو ابھی ہم کینٹ میں آ رہے ہیں. کینٹ میں یہ جو سیدھی روڈ جاتی ہے یہ ایئرپورٹ کی طرف جاتی ہے. لیفٹ جائیں گے تو پشاور صدر کی طرف جائیں گے. اگین پشاور صدر فوڈ کے لیے, کپڑوں کے لیے, ہر چیز کے لیے مشہور ہے. مال روڈ پہ سارا آرمی پڑا ہوا ہے. پھر مال روڈ سے جاؤ تو گورنر ہاؤس ہے. اور میں انشاءاللہ آپ کو بہت جلد گورنر ہاؤس بھی دکھاؤں گی, کیونکہ انشاءاللہ ہم وہاں انوائٹڈ ہیں, تو وہ بھی دکھاؤں گی. یہ ہمارا میٹرو ہے, پاکستان کا بیوٹیفل میٹرو ہے, جس کی وجہ سے کافی تعداد میں ٹریفک میں کافی کمی آئی ہے. اور ماشاءاللہ اس روڈ ساری کلین ہے. آپ لوگ دیکھ رہے ہیں پلانٹس ہیں, ٹریز ہیں, یعنی کہ کوئی بھی ایسی جگہ نہیں ہے حیات آباد سے لے کے ابھی تک میں نے کوئی ایسی جگہ نہیں دیکھی جہاں آپ کو لگے کہ کوئی گندگی ہے. اور لگاتار کلینر لگے ہیں, کلیننگ کر رہے ہیں. کینٹ ہے, دس از صدر کینٹ which is called Peshawar Kent, Peshawar Sadar. And here again is a shopping center, food court. All these things have different kind of food, a very traditional food like famous food. One called Palawan Chole, Palawan National, very famous. Also, all these shops have all branded stuff and amazing shopping. So because it's a Friday today and Friday stuff, you can see all these famous here. So I'm going to show you inshallah soon if I got chance. Just the mosque, and everybody from here to the end is praying Jummah Namaz. And you can see they put a little line there.
یہاں پہ مسجد جو ہے وہ چھوٹی ہے, چھوٹا سا مسجد ہے, اس لیے انہوں نے سڑک ہر جمعے کے دن سڑک بالکل صاف کی ہوتی ہے, چٹائیاں بچھائی جاتی ہے, اور یہاں سے لے کے وہاں تک سارے لوگ نماز پڑھتے ہیں. بہت زیادہ رش ہوتی ہے, الگ مزہ ہوتا ہے باجی. ہاں جی, بہت مزہ ہوتا ہے اس کا.
Bazaar, but now it's Jinnah market or something. And here again is really good for the shopping and all kind of things are available for from lower price to high price, and especially it's famous for jewelry, clothing and all kind of lady stuff. Peshawar Kent, but look the houses, they are like
old houses.
100 years ago. These are the traditional Peshawar shops. You can see, you know, like sometimes I watch these Bollywood movies and they have these kind of houses. Sorry, I say shop, not shop, houses. Look at that. They Indian kind of houses. They are like 100 years ago, and they're still in their condition. Still people live here, and they're extremely expensive property, but they don't want to leave it, and they live here because it's in Peshawar Kent. So these are all Peshawar city, Kent own traditional properties which are very expensive, but they're still in their original condition. It's amazing building. I love it. They're old, like 150 years ago. And look at that. It's talking if you can show them. He's Amar Tariq and he lives in one of these houses. These houses are much expensive maybe because in Peshawar, but you still want to live here.
Yeah.
So basically, Amar gonna tell you how old are these properties.
120 years old.
120 years old.
But you can sell these houses and buy like a big bungalow. Why?
Because there are a lot of facilities here.
And this is your traditional house.
Yes.
You don't want to leave it. It's amazing, beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah. And I'm so surprised that they can sell these houses and buy like a big bungalow in Hyderabad. But you don't want to.
No, I don't want.
Oh, mashallah.
He is very happy and living in this place.
He feels proud to live in these houses.
Exactly. And it's very.
So we here at Hamara Chowk. This is one of my childhood memory here. I used to come here to eat kachalan with my Daji Baba, and I usually come here to eat like a kidney beans. So that was my favorite. And my Daji Baba used to like it's called Palawan something. Palawan chola. Yeah. So da sona zorle daze. Sona. So basically this brother said that this is a very old road and basically it's Peshawar, like we call Peshawari people. They live here and their traditional food are here, like you know the chole I'm talking about, that's a nashta, that's like a breakfast and it's a famous, amazing. There's the yeah.
خلق خوخي سن لسه راجي
زیاد بدا پهلوان چولې ډېرې مشهور
ډېرې مشهور
کوفتم سره پخېږي نه
او پهلوان چولې
پهلوان چولو سره کوفتم پخېږي ډېر
او شیر والا کوم
چې نن سبا کوټه چلیږي او کراچۍ راغلي دي دا خطاب پړي
top. I'm gonna visit. Well, when I was a child and I come with my Daji Baba, I never tried this chai wala, but I'm gonna try this today, inshallah. One of my best. It's called kachalan. Basically, in Urdu it's called Arabi, and in English it's called yam. So they're selling like kidney beans and kachalan, and this shop is so old. And I used to come with Daji Baba and eat this kachalan like at least once a week. I used to come to eat these kachalan. Even whenever I visit Pakistan, I eat this kachalan, and I'm gonna try in front of you. It's like, you know, their family recipes. Thank you. So I'm trying these kachalan. Bismillah. It's amazing. Mouth watering. Come and visit this kachalan shop. Very hygienically clean. Amazing shop. Tasty kachalan and tasty kidney beans. Staffy shop Sunum Didi.
Ziaur Rahman special kachalan.
So Ziaur Rahman special kachalan. Visit this brother and try the kachalan and try the kidney beans. Okay? Brother say no, don't pay me anything, but I got some rules in my life that I always pay them. So I force him that no, I'm gonna pay you. But this is our Pushtun. Our Pushtun people never gonna charge you if you are a guest. So alhamdulillah, this brother said no, you are like mehman, guest, so don't pay, but I'm paying them.
Okay.
I eat some kachalan and I'll have some kachalan. I'm taking home. I didn't like for Mendi, for henna night, buy all these beautiful stuff. So if you want, if you are getting married and you celebrating some occasion, come here and buy all the henna stuff, all the decoration for the wedding. This is Fountain Chowk because it used to be a big fountain here. At the moment it's closed, I don't know why. But that's the Fuara Chowk and it's a traditional place of Kent. Like here, in surrounding, all the shops got curtains making shops, sofas covering shop, all kind of shop. Name it and it's here. It's here. And the Palawan Chole is here as well. These are all the labels like painter, carpenter. They come every morning, sit here, and people come and collect them from here for job. We're here at Al-Amin breakfast place, and basically they're making all the parathas and all the eggs, malai, green tea, black. I'm going to show you inside basically how they make tea. It's a traditional Peshawari tea. That's a shop Sona door, baby. So 50-year-old, this tea shop, this tea cafe basically is 50-year-old. There's people boiling hot water in this kettle. Now he's putting some, and this is basically a heated plate. Now he crushed some cardamom. He put some cardamom, and now sugar. Yes, and now is green tea leaf. And this is a hot plate. Dum wala varka na. So basically, we just put it on heat for a couple of minutes, and then my green tea will be ready. So I'm gonna try malai, green tea, and a little bit paratha. I'm having my green tea with malai and paratha. Let's see, okay? All of you watch my paratha, but this paratha is amazing paratha. So it's no mama paratha, it's Fuara Chowk, Malanjan brother, chai, paratha and malai. So bismillah. So you have to put green tea like that, okay? To give that whisk. Bismillah. Wow. Wow. I'm waiting for my paratha and I'm going to try the malai as well. But you know what? This green tea is like so full of aroma, a nice cardamom smell, and I love it. My parathas here and my malais here with green tea. Bismillah. Wow. Wow. Look. I was asking Khadim from last 15 days to bring me malai. Khadim said there is no malai. Look, I find it. Alhamdulillah. So rich, so smooth, so beautiful, 100% organic. I love it. So all the kebab, the green tea, the paratha, the malai, only 90 rupees. 90 rupees.
How much pound it?
50 pence.
50
Not
pence.
even 50 pence. 40 pence.
40 pence.
Amazing food. Come visit here. Enjoy this paratha.
We eat
this
all the
and
malai.
the green tea.